In our medical minute today, we have Dr. Richard Busch with Busch Chiropractic, and we're talking about neuropathy. Dr. Busch, thanks for joining us. So why don't you first kind of explain to us, what is neuropathy?
Neuropathy, very simply, is death or damage of a nerve, okay? So as far as that damage, it can be caused by a bunch of different things. You probably have heard of diabetic patients. When their blood sugar levels get high, it actually reduces the amount of oxygen we can get to their nerves, causes a pooling of fluids, which actually causes more damage to those nerves. And so that type of damage will actually cause things like numbness and tingling or burning sensations, or even that feeling where you may feel like people a lot of times describe it as having almost like cellophane wrapped around their hand with duct tape on the top of it. Not very comfortable. No. And so you got that on your feet and your hands. We start to see it in those areas first because those are the farthest away from your central nervous system. They're the most likely to have deficits as far as oxygen. Along with that, we can have things like as a result of statin drug use for cholesterol or chemotherapy. Those are different things that can actually cause damage to those nerves, and even some environmental chemicals or toxins will cause damage to those nerves. And as that damage takes place, first of all, you start to see the pain as a result of a decrease in oxygenation. And then along with that, those nerves, as they start to fire, people may notice a burning sensation, or the numbness and tingling, or the sharp shooting, severe pains at times. And other people just may say, you know what, I just can't feel it. It's numbness and tingling, and the problem that they have most often is balance issues.
Well, so what can somebody do? Obviously, this is very uncomfortable if you're experiencing this. So what can they do to remedy it?
Well, there are a couple of things. First of all, we do a lot in my office to help patients with these types of problems by using different types of lasers, which are actually increasing oxygenation, increasing blood supply, and along with that heat. But along with that, some other things like some different types of nutrition. Things like L-arginine supplements and coenzyme Q10 supplements will actually help increase oxygenation, blood supply, and also the coenzyme Q10 helps to handle part of the problem as a result of the statin drug use, because that actually depletes your coenzyme Q10 levels in your body. And so there are different things that we can do, whether it's nutrition or whether it's some different therapies in my office. But then along with that, some other exercise and that type of thing will actually help as well.
But definitely tailored to each individual patient and what they're experiencing. So come in and talk to you about it and get evaluated.
Exactly. If you have neuropathy, give us a call, because we're helping a lot of people change their quality of life. And I think that's something that's very important.
Yeah, that's a game changer if you can have that pain go
Certainly
away for
is.
sure. Dr. Busch, thank you so much for coming in,
much.
and merry early Christmas. You can find out more about Busch Chiropractic by calling the number on your screen. Pat?